Most benchtop grinders feel like they are either toys that stall out the moment you touch metal to them, or massive industrial units that take up half the garage. This little machine from JLD sits in that sweet spot where it actually feels like a serious tool, but it won't force you to rearrange your entire workbench. The first thing that hits you is the build quality. It has this solid, steel-framed rigidity that keeps it from dancing around the table when you are really leaning into a piece of steel. It is surprisingly quiet for a 550-watt motor, and that copper winding inside seems to handle heat way better than the cheaper aluminum wound motors you usually find at this price point. What makes this thing genuinely useful is the variable frequency drive. You can dial the speed way down for fine detail work, or crank it up when you need to hog off material quickly. Having that reverse function is a nice touch, too, especially if you are working on specific bevels or just trying to keep the belt from loading up with debris. It comes with 3 different grinding molds, which is a smart inclusion because it lets you tackle those tricky curved surfaces that usually require a lot of tedious hand filing. Switching between horizontal and vertical modes is quick enough that you won't feel like you are wasting time, and the tracking wheel is actually responsive. You won't be constantly fighting to keep the belt centered, which is a huge relief if you have ever used a budget sander that drifts every 5 minutes. Now, it is not perfect. While the footprint is compact, the work area is definitely on the smaller side. So if you are trying to grind massive knife blades, you might find yourself wishing for a bit more surface area to rest your hands on. Also, while the included belts are fine for getting started, you will probably want to pick up some higher quality abrasives if you are doing serious knife making. It is a solid, well-thought-out piece of kit that punches above its weight class. If you are looking for something that can handle everything from deburring wood to shaping metal blanks without breaking the bank or taking up your entire shop, this is definitely one to keep on your radar. It is just a reliable, no-nonsense machine that does exactly what it claims to do.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.